Alright, there's a second look with this palette. So I used all of the shades, everything on the top row, including the cream, and the black shade in the bottom row. So I wanted to do all the warm tones, and I wanted to use the black with a flat shader all over the lid to see how evenly it applied and how it blended. So I'm pretty happy with how everything went on for this look. The black is a little bit, it's fading a little bit in the crease, and it could just be because I took off the previous look and maybe my eyelids are a little bit oily. I'll just have to keep playing with this palette over the next week or so and kind of see how it works, ideally when my skin is like freshly clean in the morning. But yeah, everything so far. Can you focus, please? My camera doesn't want to focus. So, so far I'm happy with the color payoff. Very nice color payoff, very easy to blend. So yeah, there's my thoughts for the second look. And then here is a close-up before I turn the camera off. Primed eye and unprimed eye.